और टाइम बॉन्ड को दे दीजिए, बहुत हम नहीं कर सकता, परेशान हो गए सर, मेरे पास खर्चा नहीं, पैसे नहीं है वकील को देने के लिए, प्लीज मेहरबानी।
आपको अगर नहीं समझ में आ रहा है तो हम
आप भी गार्ड ऑफ जस्टिस हैं सर, आप भी गार्ड ऑफ जस्टिस हैं।
प्लीज टेक हिम आउट। यस, लेट्स रीड।
I am in item 8.
I am in 8.1. This is coming. This is the content.
As per the last order, Lordship, we have served the respondent lot and they have filed some the application for additional
Mr.
documents saying
Patwaria,
that
Yes, my lord.
there are two directions. One is the direction which they have complied, and the other direction, 6 months time is not yet over. The direction is of 4 to 2026. So it's premature.
So, my lord, your lordship will see the direction. Your lordship said
Don't
we are
have the direction.
permanent. They are only paying us for 11 months in a year. They are not paying us for 12
The
months.
second direction would come. Let us.
Just kindly see.
First direction is in respect of the.
Just kindly see page 58, para 70.
At the rate of 17,000.
Just see page 58, para 70.
Yes.
There is discussion which I'll take your lordships to later. Just kindly
come to the directions first.
Yes. Para 70, page 58. On the basis of the above discussion, we conclude as under. The appointment of part-time or contractual teachers, in fact, no longer remains contractual in nature. Once the contract period of 11 months for which they were initially appointed or the extended period stood expired, that was in 17. Sorry, may I read page 58? Page 58. And there is a long discussion on this. And they have held us to be permanent now and no longer contractual. I'll take your lordship to that should the need so arise. There is a detailed discussion from para 36 onwards. Para 70. On the basis of above discussion, we conclude as under. The appointment of the part-time or contractual instructor teacher, in fact, no longer remains contractual in nature. Once the contract period of 11 months for which they were appointed or extended period has stood expired, they were not even part-time instructor teacher.
That's a declaration.
Now,
let us have the
third
directions.
Third. In fact, these instructors, teachers having continued continuously for over 10 years in a row are deemed to be employed permanently against deemed substantive posts, and as such, with the passage of time and keeping in mind the continuity of work, the post stood automatically created. Now, this is the declaration. Now, kindly see the directions if your lordship will see, or if your lordship can, page 60, para 7. The honorarium payable to those instructor teacher cannot be permitted to remain stagnant. Same is revisable periodically, at least once in 3 years by a PAB or any other authority as may be determined. Any action of the state government to employ teacher instructors on fixed.
Now the direction is at paragraph 71.
71, 72 actually also, I'll read.
Yes.
In view of the discussion, the question formulated in para 14 is answered by holding that part-time contractual teachers entitled, appointed in upper primary school are entitled to revision of their honorarium of 7,000 per month, which was initially fixed for contractual period of 11 months in 2013. Revision has to take place if not annually, then periodically as per discretion of the PAB. Since the PAB has determined the honorarium to be 17,000, all instructors, teachers appointed are entitled for payment of the same at the rate of 17,000 per month, with effect from 17-18 till further revision takes place. Thus, all these instructors, teachers are.
Paragraph 72 gives the direction.
6 months. 6 months. Now see the compliance.
Now let us have what
page 72.
Yes.
Page 72
Yes.
is the circular of April 9, 2026, by which they are doing compliance. My first problem with this is last line of para 2. May I read para both, or shall I read the complete thing or para 2? With regard to the above, para 2. In this regard, I have been sorry.
So where is the, this is the typed copy of which annexation?
No, P4, your lordship may see page 72.
P4 piece.
This is a typed copy of
The original is at page 75.
Yes, 75. 11 mahine is the problem a lot. They can't give it to us for 11 months today. This was discussed and debated at length, and it was said that now we are permanent. I'll read from para 36 onwards. The conclusion is at para 46 that we are now permanent. Now, what they are saying, I can't read it. I can read it, but इस संबंध में मुझे ये कहने की I'm a little Hridesh.
No, that's right.
11
We have
महीने
a
जो- the
translated
11
copy,
months is the
Lord.
problem.
No,
They can't.
You are right. They should, but they have not said that they will not pay you thereafter.
No, they have said
Maybe
11
they
months.
revise it upwards after.
Now that's the second problem. The revision is now they are wanting us to sign a new contract at page 81. From 17 they have done nothing because to overcome this judgment. Now they say you sign a contract making you contractual for 11 months. Please see page 81. They have filed a review. If they succeed in the review, something can happen. But if the judgment remains, both these things are wrong. This is contemptuous on the face
They
of.
have filed a review.
They have filed a review.
Review is pending.
I don't know what has happened, my lord, but
That is pending, Your Lordship.
Mr. Singh
In
told
fact,
me
they have
yesterday-
filed a modification application also, my lord, in this.
My lord, that
They have
we are
filed-
nothing.
That is not a different aspect of it.
Where is the modification or the?
I don't know, Lord. We have not been served anything. I asked Mr. Singh yesterday, only today morning in the court, I
In
heard.
fact,
something.
in item 8, my lord, they have annexed, they have filed an application for document, additional document, my lord. And there they have annexed. We don't know the status of the modification application. Lord.
That is
But
also
that
pending, Your Lordship.
modification application is only in relation to the period which has been given to them for 6
But with
months for the
modification
payment of the
application,
salary.
the registrar will file it. He will not list it. This modification
Yes.
will not even.
There
be
is only
listed.
one aspect on which modification application has been filed, that is for the period, that is 6 months, which lordship
No, but
have
here-
granted
here
them to pay
you
the
see,
arrears.
in Modification application, the prayer is that only that part be deleted where the state
Yes.
government is under an obligation.
That
So
also
far
can't,
as the state government's part is concerned, that is not there.
oh, that can't be deleted. That is section 7(3) of the
That-
RT.
That is a specific direction, Lord, by
That is-
lordships which they want to, sorry. And my lord, that para 46
No,
is,
no, my lord. Mine is coming up for the first time.
it has not been issued, Lord.
At item number 8.
Lordship had
No,
asked us
lordship
to
said
serve them
only
a
serve a
copy, we
copy.
served them and they filed an application for Lord additional documents.
On behalf of the contempt petitionaries, that the direction in the order dated 4/2/2026 is in two parts. The first part relates as selected direction, the order and the submission of the General Council on behalf, the submission of behalf of contempt petitionaries that the order dated 4/2026 passed by this court in civil appeal number 758/2026. First makes a declaration that the appointment, whether part-time or contractual, which has continued for over 10 years,
Correct.
would be deemed to be a permanent appointment. Second part is a direction whereunder emoluments are to be paid at the rate of rupees 17,000 per month. Question. It is the case of the contempt petition that the respondents are treating the appointment of the content petitioners as on contract and have issued notice for renewal of the contract for a fresh period of 11 months.
And giving us honorarium only for 11 months.
As contract, as the contracts are not treating as permanent in terms of the declaration made by the sport power. They are acting in teams with an order of this. You should notice return within 60.
Grateful. Area will be in 4th August, it will come. That, or, great.
Deeply aware.
That is same, the both are same.
Yes,
Both are the.
Yes, Lord, item 8
Argument is
is
same.
both same order, not petitioners are
Mike-
different in the
Mike-
same implement.
one, minute. In my case, Lord, I don't think your lordship needs to issue notice to the chief secretary. One, your lordship can issue 2, 3 and 4.
Just a minute.
And their
Let us-
permanent,
let us see
personal
who are
appeals
the
can be dispensed with.
Just see. We will only issue notice to the state of UP, not the central government.
Yes, there is no central.
Because pay and recover principle is there.
We have,
that
we
is
have,
between
we have, we have not made them a lot. So
Who
one,
are the parties?
yes, one is chief secretary, your lordship cannot do that. 2 is additional chief secretary, the director general school education and.
Who are the parties in the appeal?
Lord, these were the parties, just one minute. Yes, in appeal it was project director, just one minute. Who were the parties in the appeal? I will just tell you.
Where is?
In item 8, my lord,
Just 1 minute. Can you allow me to conclude? I'll just tell you what.
State of.
In the appeal, the first party was Principal Secretary Basic Education. The second,
Who has issued the notice to you?
the notice has come about additional Chief Secretary, that is respondent number 2. P4.
No, it's by Monica Rani, Director General. School
No. P4, your lordship may see, this is the circular which is issued.
P4.
Yes, that's the main, that's the implementation order. That is additional Chief Secretary.
Additional chief. secretary.
Yes, so 2 will have to go and 3 will have to go. And PAB also, your lordship.
Issue notice to make it to issue, notice to, at this stage, we deem it appropriate to issue notice to the second and third respondent.
Even PAB can also be issued, my lord. They have to do the refixation.
Mahanideshak, who would be the Mahanideshak? Mahanideshak is the third respondent.
Yes, ma'am. 2 and 3.
At this stage, we deem it appropriate. Only to the second, third
And 4th also, my lord. PAB has to do the,
and fourth respondent.
that's it. Personal appearance can be dispensed with.
I think there is
All.
Please.
Great.
the respondents may not appear personally. Let's get it. The personal presence of the respondent is not required unless directed otherwise.
Grateful.
Now just tell us, in the other also.
My friend is there.
I am in it.
This order, your
I am in
lordship,
it.
asked.
This was
Here there are
yes,
two.
same order, same respondents, my lord, yes,
Same respondent.
yes,
Both there are 2, 3 and 4.
All. Great.
please, my lord. Oblige.
Please, madam.